morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
I am very excited to teach you.
I am very excited to teach you. Today, my topic is time versus money. What is the time? What is the money? Do you know about your time? Do you know about the value of time? Do you know your time? Do you have time? Do you have time? Guys, do you have time? Guys, do you have time? Guys, do you have time? Do you know the value of time? Do you know the value of time? I am here. Today I am here. Do you know why I am here? Guys, speak loudly. Do you know why I am here?
Are you excited?
Are you excited, guys? I am gonna teach you because
Myself.
I am going to change myself. Do you know to change yourself? Do you want to change yourself? Do you want to change yourself?
Just change yourself.
Yes, guys, if you want to change yourself, you need to know about your time. Because time is very, very valuable thing in this world. Time is very expensive. More than money. More than everything.
So are you excited
So are you excited, guys,
to know
to know
how to use your right direction?
how to use your time in right direction?
Because I am here.
Because I am here,
I will teach you
I will teach you what is the value of time. What is the value of money?
direction.
How you can use your time in the right direction. So guys,
This is a very
this is a very valuable session for you. So are you guys excited to listening me? So first thing is that you have to do one thing. Do you want to know what is the one thing? You have to know about your time. Do you know your time? Do you know value of the time? Thank you listening me to very carefully. Thank you guys.